Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Aquino, Rona's doctor.
I'm Miss Enriquez. Nice meeting you.
As we observe Rona, she is in a very critical condition right now. She might have mucor, also known as mucormycosis. The group of fungi that cause mucor are common. They cause some kinds of food mold, for instance. Most people breathe tiny particles of these fungi in and out all of the time. How come her parents didn't bring her to hospital as early as possible? When mucor is suspected, the patient becomes a medical emergency, no matter how well she looks like. I'll call our best doctor right now. Wait for me. Here is our best doctor in the hospital, Dr. Ross. By the way, Mrs. Enriquez, this is Dr. Ross.
Nice to meet you. According to my observation and the data presented, the patient is in very critical condition. Her brain starts failing, as well as her kidneys. It's too late to save her life. She is now experiencing a multiple organ failure. There's no hope for her. Are you the relative of this patient?
No! You are her father.
What? Is Rona?
Yes, she's Rona, her daughter, Dr. Rodolfo Ross. I can keep calling you, but you always ignore my call. How does it feel that a critical condition of this patient is your own daughter? And how does it feel a brilliant Dr. Ross couldn't help her own daughter? Blame to everyone will not help you to solve your problem, but it will just worsen it. There's just one thing I will ask, and you just have to be honest. What is it? How are you as a mother to Rona? Do you think you'd be a good mom to her? How are you as a man?
Yeah, I have to admit, I've never treated her properly, not even my daughter. It's so unfair for her because she don't deserve to be treated that way. She needs love and affection. And as her mom, I supposed to do that, but I didn't.
Don't blame yourself. What matters most is that you realize your mistake and willing to change it.
Yeah, I might not correct the wrong of yesterday, but I can make a new beginning and I should start it now.
I'm happy to know that. I'm looking forward to see you as a changed Mrs. Ross.
We are sorry. No.
Maya, Ika, please take good care of mom and dad. Study hard. Promise me that you'll be the valedictorian, so mom and dad will be proud of you. Take good care of yourselves. Wait, I call your mom and dad.
Rona. Rona.
Mom, Dad, I'm happy because for the last time of my life, don't say that you won't say concern. Don't say that, baby, I love you.
Rona.